In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate paused gigs on Fiverr. If a gig isn't showing up in search or available for buyers, it may be paused. Reactivating it takes just a minute, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get back in front of clients. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr and press Enter. From the results, click the official Fiverr website to open it. Make sure you're using the account where your gigs live and that you're in seller mode so you can access your business tools. Once you're on Fiverr, look at the top navigation and click My Business. This is where Fiverr groups all your seller controls. From there, select Gigs. The Gigs page lists all your active, paused, and draft offerings in one place, so it's the hub you'll use whenever you want to manage visibility. At the top of the Gigs page, click the tab labeled Paused. This filter shows only the gigs that aren't currently live. It's useful because you won't have to scroll through everything to find the ones that need attention. Find the specific gig you want to bring back, then move your cursor to the right side of that gig's row. You'll see a small drop-down icon or three-dot menu. Click that icon to open the action menu for the gig. This menu contains quick controls that affect the status and visibility of your listing. From the menu, click Activate. Fiverr will immediately switch that gig from paused to active. In most cases, you'll see a visual confirmation or the gig will jump to the Active tab. If it doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh. Once active, your gig can show up in search and be purchased by buyers again. A couple of quick tips as you do this. If you paused a gig due to seasonality or capacity, double-check your delivery times and pricing beforehand so they match your current availability. If the Activate option is grayed out, the gig may be under review or require updates based on Fiverr's guidelines. Look for any notifications at the top of the page that explain what's needed. After activation, consider previewing your gig to confirm the title, gallery, and description look correct, and that all packages are set the way you want. That's it. You opened Fiverr through Google, went to My Business, selected Gigs, filtered to Paused, opened the menu on the right, and clicked Activate. Your gig is now live and ready for new orders.